Management Career Services wishes you a warm welcome to the Bachelor of Commerce Co-op program at Dalhousie University. The Commerce Co-op program provides the opportunity for students to gain relevant work experience before graduation. Through 3 work terms, you will gain confidence and other transferable skills to leverage for the rest of your career. There are a number of majors within the degree, allowing you to tailor a career path to suit you and your interests. Your studies will teach you all the basics of business, preparing you for the range of careers in the business world. There are many advantages to choosing Dalhousie's Commerce Co-op program. 2019 statistics show that 89% of Dalhousie Commerce graduates actively seeking employment were employed within 6 months after graduation, 71% of whom had a salary of $40,000 or greater. Dalhousie is highly acknowledged by employers. Michael Shelson, head of Scotiabank's Global Recruitment, speaks of Dalhousie's Commerce program.
Dalhousie is one of those few schools that immediately comes to mind when we're thinking of our Tier 1 relationships. There's no school outside Ontario that we hire more students from, that's for sure. It also attracts more top students and really wonderful people from a breadth of locations across the country and the world. And the top employers know this, and as a result, we all make Dalhousie a priority when it comes to recruiting our leaders of tomorrow.
Dalhousie has well-maintained relationships with employers in many sectors and locations. Here are some examples of our top co-op employers. Management Career Services is here to help you throughout your entire Dalhousie experience. We offer career development services and work-term support for you to become career-ready. Whether it is to gain career insight or just to build your network, come visit us on the 2nd floor of the Row Building in Suite 2100 or online at dal.ca/mcs. Follow us on social media to stay up to date with events and career workshops.